Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the live caption show sound labels option on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the settings menu. So just swipe up on the home screen and then select the setting gear icon. And then you want to go down sound and vibration button. And then scroll down again, select live caption, then scroll down one more time, and there should be something that says show sound labels. Include sounds like laughter, applause, and music. If you want to enable this, keep it toggle to the right position or just right click until it's blue. Otherwise, you can click inside of here until it's grayed out, meaning that sound labels will not be displayed. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.